Hi, this is Hunyah Travels. Today I'm here at Ikea for Ikea food reviews. See here, this is just some of the stuff. Some of the beds and some of the displays. Ikea food review, I have plant-based meatballs and denim cake and fries. So this is the plant-based meatballs. It has fries, cream sauce, and broccoli and denim cake. Now the fries. Ketchup chili? Very crispy, very creamy fries. Taste test of the veggie meatballs at Ikea. Very good, very creamy, tastes like soya. I give it a 5 out of 5. This is the famous Ikea denim cake. It's one of my favorites. So let's have a bite. Taste test. Ikea's famous denim cake. It looks creamy, it's really good, it has a lot of filling. 5 out of 5. Kitchen in Ikea, this is the kitchen I would want. Looking at this kitchen, this is the kind of kitchen I want. Looking at this kitchen, this is the kitchen I want. For watching Hunyah Food Reviews, Ikea Food, and be sure to like and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.